English you can live in. Chore plan. I make a list for every day, cleaning, laundry, all in play. Apps show tasks in a neat grid. Reminders ping. I don't get rid. Weekly chores get colored tags. I mark them done with happy flags. Rooms, dishes, trash, and floors. Scheduling helps me do chores. I balance work, fun, and play. Tasks done smoothly, stress away. Digital calendars keep me right. Chores feel easy, out of sight. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.